Thank you so very much, Dr. Pond. And now I would like to provide a quick overview of CDER's Small Business and Industry Assistance Program, better known as SBIA, and our various resources. Learning objectives include locating the SBIA webpage and identifying 3 resources, and understanding how to register for SBIA events and find recordings of past events. Our mission revolves around you to ensure that you have immediate access to resources, education, and training, which allow for a more clearly informed and efficient developmental process with the goal of approving safe and effective human drugs and biopharmaceuticals. This slide here is just a visual representation of the global participation at SBIA events. Our resources include direct communication services, training resources, webpage, and news and events. Let's talk about direct communication services. Our staff comprises over 40 healthcare professionals, most of whom answer direct inquiries via the dedicated telephone numbers and the email address seen here, and these are our hours of operation. Last year alone, we responded to over 5,000 inquiries. We receive a wide variety of questions, and we respond very quickly. Whether it's providing you with a complete response, letting you know that we need to consult a different group within FDA, or guiding you on whom you should be contacting. On the phone, we'll even walk you through the website, help navigate you to where you need to be, assist you in identifying pertinent guidances, and troubleshoot various databases with you if at all possible. Let's talk about some of those training resources. We have trainings via workshops, conferences, and webinars such as this. In 2023, we hosted 8 conferences and workshops and 22 webinars reaching over 95,000 individuals representing 141 countries. 2 of our more popular annual conferences, and these two I have chosen because I think they are more pertinent to this audience, would be our Regulatory Education for Industry, or READY conference, which since 2021 has been offering 3 tracks: drugs, devices, and biologics. Then we also have our Clinical Investigators Training course, CITSI, which is not yet advertised but is tentatively scheduled for December 10th through the 12th. And I highly encourage you to subscribe to our listserv and register for the upcoming CITSI when registration becomes available. Another stream of information is our SBIA Chronicles. These are short 2-page electronic newsletters accompanied with audio podcasts which highlight different regulatory issues. Some past topics include Bayesian statistical approaches in the evaluation of drug products and considerations for drug products that contain nanomaterials. Next, let's go to our webpage. Here is a screenshot of our landing page, and this is the website here, fda.gov/CDER-SBIA. As you can see, it features our calendar of upcoming events with links to registration. Below the fold of the page are access points to our regulatory references, our LinkedIn sign-up, our YouTube library, and our SBIA Learn repository. And I would like to spend just a couple seconds on the SBIA Learn. SBIA Learn is essentially a database of training information for industry and could become a very good friend if you allow it. It currently curates 815 webcasts, which address a wide variety of topics, and you can link directly to the YouTube uploads from here. It is searchable by keyword and also by topic. The drop-down menu gives you a variety of different topics from biomarkers, chemistry, manufacturing and controls, clinical trials and research, and so much more. Perhaps the best resource relevant to this audience is our 2021 Oncology Therapy Development Workshop. And even though it's 2021, the information is still very applicable. Let's talk about news and updates. In addition to LinkedIn, we also disseminate information to industry via our email listserv or distribution list. We currently have over 160,000 subscribers, and we issue information daily regarding new regulations, FDA announcements and initiatives, webinars and conferences, many of which are SBIA hosted, but many are not. Here you see an ad for Ready 2024 previously mentioned, and these Ready conferences typically feature plenary with our 3 center directors. And also here to the right, you'll see a promotion for a recently established CDER Center for Clinical Trial Innovation, C3TI. And here is your action item for this presentation. On our main page, again, fda.gov/CDER-SBIA, you can find a link to sign up for the emails and do so even now. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, here you see our contact information again, but here you can enter your email address even as I'm speaking. Enter the email address, hit subscribe, and you'll be getting emails from us as early as tomorrow. Here are the QR codes for the various resources previously mentioned. Here is a summary and call to action of all the contact information and the ways to follow us and subscribe to our listserv. I want to once again introduce our moderator for the day, Lieutenant Commander Nora Lim. And I would also like to introduce our upcoming 4 CDER presenters. We have Dr. Parisma Patel from the Office of Pharmaceutical Quality, Dr. Emily Warren from the Office of New Drugs, Dr. Caitlin Tidens from the Office of New Drugs. And first up with his presentation, An Oncology Drug Development Mindset, First Steps, is the inimitable Dr. Jeff Summers, Associate Office Director of the Office of Oncologic Diseases within the Office of New Drugs.